Stop if you are having back-to-back outbreaks, herpes outbreaks, and they just won't go away. Are you the type of person to stress over the fact that you have an outbreak? Stressing over the fact that you have an outbreak in the first place is going to keep the outbreak go longer. Okay? Are you the type of person that wakes up every day and complains about everything? Oh my gosh, I gotta go to work and I gotta do this and blah, 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 and I ain't got no time for myself and this person did this and I can't stand people. You're freaking Eeyore from Winnie the Pooh, right? You're always stressed. You're always negative. Your nervous system is always at a sympathetic state, right? That stress is going to trigger on your outbreaks. That stress, that negativity is going to trigger on your outbreaks. It's going to keep it there longer. You need to work on that. You need to work on protecting your peace. You need to work on regulating your nervous system. You need to work on practicing mindfulness. Yes, you need to ground yourself. You need to go outside and walk. You need to journal. You need to meditate. You need to do some breath work. Yes, you need to do do those things. You need to pray. You need to learn how to self-soothe, self-regulate, manage your emotions. If you don't put in the work to do that, baby, you always gonna be suffering with outbreaks. I promise you that. Ain't no detox, no herb in the world gonna be able to help you if you don't learn how to regulate that nervous system.